My name is Chimezie Imo, and I am an actor. Good to see you at work.
My name is Chimezie Imo. I am an actor. See you at work. That is such a confidence closing remarks for your award acceptance speech. And when you talk of confidence, talent and skills, you can always talk of Chimezie Imo. You might say that was more like him submitting his CV to the movie industry stakeholders in attendance. But if you watch any of his movies, then you must have admitted he is a very talented actor that every director must see at work. Chimezie Imo is a Nigerian actor and model who was born on 7th of January 1992 in Lagos State, but he hails from Osu local government area of Imo State in southeastern Nigeria. He completed his primary education at Jabi Primary School and his secondary education at Government Science Secondary School, Yakasa, both located in Abuja. Chimezie later enrolled at Abubakar Tafawa Balewa University in Bauchi State, where he pursued a Bachelor of Science degree in Applied Ecology.
What's the first thing you see when you look at me?
Your forehead.
Corey, bite your tongue. Bite your tongue.
You need to stop this. You need to get over this guy and get yourself together. You can stay as long as you want.
As long as I want. Put it back there.
I am expecting a guest over later this evening. I was hoping, if you can make yourself a little bit scarce when she's around.
Want me to make myself scarce? Like fuel. So if you have a girlfriend and you didn't even tell me.
I don't like her.
She doesn't want to see me and I don't want to see her either.
Okay. Jimmy, I have tried. But I don't feel comfortable with you staying in my house anymore.
I'm not going anywhere. This is my best friend's house. You should go to your own best friend's house.
You're just a lot, I swear.
Of course you're going to be a lot when you're going through a heartbreak.
Chimezie Imo started his film and television career in 2014, earning second place on the Nigerian talent show, The Next Movie Star reality show. His first role in a film was in Learning Curves. He also acted in TV shows like Origin and the comedy 90 Gogoro. In 2018, he acted as a young man influenced by peer pressure in MTV-based Sugar, which brought him into the limelight. That same year, he was part of the main cast in the popular comedy Kasala, where he played one of the four friends. In 2019, he took on the role of a teenage boy dealing with drug addiction in the movie Nimbe. His performances were highly praised and earned him nominations for Best Actor at the Feature Awards in 2020. In 2022, he acted in a psychodrama movie titled Joke, where he portrayed a sickle cell patient whose life started to spin out of control. His performances were well received. In 2023, his work in Joke led to his nomination for the African Movies Viewers' Choice Award for Best Actor in a Leading Role.
You still get mirror for your room, and that mirror no dey advise you.
Because this shit is hot.
From now on, Nimbe is my favorite cousin.
Squeeze it. Keep it. But for all the money we I spend on you to go school, you waste everything for here. You hire.
Enough! Let me tell him how he has failed as a father. But this is home now.
Chimezie Imo's movie catalogue is a combination of nice, amazing, wow, in one sentence. He has starred in a lot of movies with great storytelling. You can be forgiven if you think he selects the kind of movies he appears in, as there are more hits than misses, from Kasala to Nimbe to MTV-based Sugar to Breath of Life. Some other movies he has starred in includes Battleground, Casanova, Mother Love, Kasu and Kasu, Mustafa, One Too Many, The Wait, Sister, Choke, Blood Covenant, and many others.
Like 500 million naira. Now I can just go from remorse to 500 million naira. Is that not too much?
Can money ever be too much?
Yes, now we can just walk into a bank casually and just drop that kind of money.
See, I know what we could do. What we could do is say, we'll commode the 100, we'll ask for only 5 million naira. That was so good.
With the possibility of jail time. No, it's small. Something that we can at least split 3 ways. Still makes sense.
60 million. 60.
Yes.
That's 30. Okay.
Olodo. So 20. 60 divided by 3 now. 20.
6 divided by
20 million naira.
Chimezie Imo has received nominations for different awards in recognition of his acting skills, some of which includes the 2020 Future Award Prize for Acting. He was nominated for these awards, which celebrate and recognize talent and potentials in the industry. He was also nominated for the 2020 African Movies Academic Awards for Best Young and Promising Actor, 2023 Amvca Best Actor in a Drama for his role in Choke. However, his consistency, coupled with exceptional acting abilities, got him the Trailblazer Award at the 2024 Amvca after appearing in the Movie of the Year, Breath of Life.
Just like the first time we met, a woman's bathroom again.
What was that out there?
What was what?
Are you trying to embarrass me?
Embarrass you how?
Why were you acting like an attention whore? Huh? Please, can you not talk or speak to any of my colleagues or my boss when we go back out there?
They were literally the ones talking to me. And we seem to be having a good conversation.
Do you hear how dumb you sound right now? Huh? These people were high profile and high network people, not on your level, okay? Stop making tasteless jokes and throwing yourself at them like some cheap whore.
They were literally just having a conversation.
Don't! Okay? If I wanted a prostitute, I know where I would have gotten one. Comport yourself. Carry yourself with poise. My ex Irene, she had more grace. What? Wow. Now you're going to start crying, eh? You're going to start crying. Did I say anything? Did I do anything? Now you're going to cry and ruin your makeup. You know what? Just go home. Go home. I'm telling something came up and you had to. You're just stupid.
Beyond his acting prowess, Chimezie Imo is also a vocalist, dancer, and a writer, showcasing his multifaceted talents both on and off the screen. As the founder of Mexico Studios, he continues to push boundaries and redefine the landscape of Nigerian entertainment. With a Bachelor of Technology in Applied Ecology and a minor in theater production from Abubakar Tafawa Balewa University, Chimezie's academic background enriches his artistic endeavors, imbuing his performance with depth and authenticity. In a dynamic industry fueled by passion and perseverance, Chimezie stands as a shining example of talent, resilience, and boundless potentials, inspiring aspiring actors to pursue their dreams relentlessly and reminding audiences of the transformative power of storytelling.